just in case you want me to go through these ones here, I'm just going to scroll down to the answers. These ones, so again, these are just the ones that are on Schoology. The extra, I know it says chapter 10, but this is the right stuff. This one right here, so I just was saying you would be doing a 2-sample t-test. So basically, this one, you'd have the 15, oops, I know you can't see my calculator yet, hold on. Okay, alright, so for this one, this is what I typed in all those numbers into the calculator. I hit no for pool. There's your test statistic, there's your p-value. So that's how I got that p-value that I wrote right here. And then D is the right answer because that p-value is in between those two numbers. This one's asking you what's the appropriate null. So the appropriate null is just saying that the East Coast mean is equal to the West Coast mean, so the average is the same. This one right here, alright, so this one's saying if the drug had no effect, which of the following experimental results would be anticipated? So if you were using an alpha of 0.05, you would only reject if you're less than alpha. So what this is saying is about if there's no effect, we're more likely to not reject, so we're more likely to fail reject. So we should be failing to reject about 95% of the time. This is just saying that, I mean, again, there'll be no difference. So however many ones that we have where the difference is positive, we'll just have as many that are negative, so they'll cancel each other out. And then this is just saying that 0 would be the interval 95% of the time. Once you measure, if you measure the entire population, there's no point in running any sort of statistical analysis. This is your 95% confidence interval. This one is just saying, again, it says which of the following statements is a correct interpretation of the interval. So you're looking for what it means to be 95% confident. So in 95% of all the intervals, you would expect the true mean to be in the interval. So this one here, these two I ruled out because of the probability. This one here, that's not even a correct. E's the only one that makes really any sense. It's just saying that for any that when you take that difference, you're likely, the sample result's likely to be that. It's kind of a confusing one. I don't think anything like that word is on the test. Okay, this one right here. This is 9 batteries of each brand are tested independently. So this is not a match pair. They're independent samples there. So it's not a paired test. They want to know if brand A lasts longer than brand B. So is A bigger than B? So it's a one-sided test. It's a mean, so it's T. Let's see here. So 100 employees got one technique, 100 employees got the other one. So that's 2 samples right there. Even though you start off with one group of 200, you're splitting them up. So these 2 groups of 100 are independent of each other. And you're going to be measuring a mean. So 2-sample t-test is the only one that makes any sense. And that's it. There's only 7 of them.